FactoryWiz DNC is designed to be the easiest to use DNC system. Our workflow-oriented design reduces operator confusion, while our structured directory controls restrict access to unauthorized files. Key features include remote requests. Download files from your network directly to the CNC control panel. Multiple client stations. Eliminate bottlenecks by using the FactoryWiz DNC client from multiple computers. Simultaneous communications. Up to 128 concurrent machine connections without manual switchbox limits. Comprehensive file management. Configure allowed directories and quarantine returned files until approved. Drip feed. Run programs larger than your CNC's memory. Modern machine support. Support for machines with no RS-232 port via FTP or folder sharing. FactoryWiz DNC supports the most reliable off-the-shelf standardized hardware for RS-232 communications. Whether you choose a wired Ethernet solution, our software ensures consistent and reliable data transfer. Experience the ease and efficiency of FactoryWiz DNC. Contact us at FactoryWiz.com or email sales@FactoryWiz.com to get started.